Okay, so now the recursive equation for this, remember, we first start with the very first number in our list. Okay, so you got to tell me the first number in our list is 5. Okay, and then now to get any other number, we have to take the number before that, the one we're looking for, the number before the one we're looking for, and then you guys said add 3 to it. So remember, those are the only two things we care about in the recursive equations. Okay, the stuff in the middle is going to be there every time. And that, again, that kind of just means, it kind of means like the previous number. If you want to get any other number, you just take the one right before it and then add 3 to it. Okay, so if you're not writing this down, make sure you are. I'm posting a video. I'm taking a recording of this, so this video will be on the YouTube channel also. Okay, so that way my hope is that when you guys go, hopefully you go watch these videos and you take notes if you haven't already, and then you have the notes in front of you when you go to take the quiz. Okay, and it should be no big deal. For the explicit, I'm going to erase this, and you guys can just write it underneath. But the explicit is the one that should be in mx plus b. This is the easy one to write, but it kind of takes a little bit more work to come up with. Okay, y equals mx plus b. All right, so we have two things to find here, two numbers. All right, does anybody remember how we find the first one? What number goes next to the x? How do we find the m? Yes, we look for the slope. Okay, so this number here, the pattern, that's what number it goes in front of the x. So that's how I want you guys to remember this. So when you take this test, okay, I always want you to remember that the pattern goes here for the explicit ones. Okay, now the other question mark. Good. 5, yes. I think it was 5, wasn't it? No, it was 3. It was 3, sorry. Does everybody understand why it's 3? Remember, this is mx plus b. M is the slope. Like how it's changing. Okay, so going backwards, what would be here across from the 0x if we went backwards here? Excellent. 2. So we're still kind of using the 3. Whoa, whoops. We're still kind of using that 3, but we're just using it to go backwards now. So 5 minus 3 would give us 2. So that means the y-intercept of that equation would have to be 2. Okay, so the way that I kind of want you to remember this is it's when x equals 0, what does y equal? And that's what goes in there.